Hello everyone, today I want to introduce you to a platform called IndexMarketCap. What is IndexMarketCap? IndexMarketCap is a crypto market data platform that helps you to track cryptocurrency price, market capitalization, price changes, trading volume, market trends. Just like CoinMarketCap, this project is a newly launched one and you can give it a try. So in this video we are going to see step by step on how to register. So the link will be in the video description. Do well to click on it. Once you click on it, you can now say this is the platform, and what we are mining is $IMC. That is what we are mining, $IMC. So you can see that the actual price for this $IMC is $2.70, and over here you can also see other coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Theta, and what have you. So you can actually use this platform to track cryptocurrency prices. You can as well buy from this platform. So what we are going to do to start mining, you click on this mine here, tap on mine. Now I have to claim the one I mine, and it is very simple. You mine every 24 hours. It doesn't stress, just 24 hours, come back, click on it to start mining. So I'm going to claim the one I have already mined. So you click on here, claim. I think it has claimed. Let me refresh. So now we start mining. Congratulations, you have mined 33.60 IMC. Now that is it. I'm already mining. So you can as well follow them on their S account. You join their Telegram to be getting updates concerning the project. So here, let's explore the app together. To explore the app, you can see here, this is where you can see your wallet. You tap on this wallet. Okay, this is the wallet, and currently what I have is 50.4 index market cap, which is IMC. That's what this balance, but I will encourage you guys to overlook this balance we are seeing here. This is just for now. This is an audio money. You cannot eventually withdraw it, and they said that the price is 2.70. They might keep to their promise, they might not. So all this value you are seeing here in dollar, let it not confuse you. Just do your mining, have patience, be positive that it will come out successful. So that is it. This is the wallet section where you can see other coin that you can trade on. Now let's click on this cap. That is the index market. If you tap on okay, this is where you see. Now let's look here to read more about the white paper. So this is the home page. You can see your wallet, your referral, the mainnet. The mini apps is coming soon, so you can only add to home screen or your mine on the browser for now. The app is not really on Google and iOS for now. So let's check the white paper. Think about the white paper. The say overview. Index market cap is a next generation Web3 mobile mining and crypto index platform inspired by CoinMarketCap. Did you see that? Inspired like CoinMarketCap. When we started, I said that this project is just like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So this is where they draft their name, and they are going to imitate their pattern. So I encourage you guys to do your research and start mining immediately. So the real platform tracks the top 10 cryptocurrencies in real time, providing transparent market data analysis status while introducing a fully on-chain crypto index. Now let's scroll down. You can see that mobile mining, mine the IMC 10 index coin directly from the CoinMarketCap mobile app during the testnet phase. So they are currently in the testnet phase. You can see that the total supply is 1 trillion. That is the total supply. That the price formula is total market cap of top 10 cryptos divided by 1 trillion. That is the price formula, and index backed value directly tied to real crypto market performance. So this is the testing mining phase whereby you mine. Now when you look at the mainnet, you have the index market cap is projected to officially launch its mainnet on 1st April 2026. So they are expected to launch their mainnet 1st of April 2026. So the mainnet launch will mark the end of the testnet mining phase, the transition to proof of stake, and the activation of full IMC10 index economy. So after the launch, that will be the end of the testnet mining phase and the proof of stake. So there will be staking and the transition to proof of stake. This is it. So take your time to read more about this on their white paper, and if it is what you can do, give it a try. Mainnet launch is 1st of April. It's very soon, just 3 months to go. The mainnet will go live. So that is it for this video. Locate the link in the video description. Thank you guys.